Let's take a look at how to edit your profile. It's a good idea to have a lot of good detail in your profile so that others in the group can know and understand you. So navigate to Members in the side navigation panel and select that. And you're going to be brought to a page that shows all the members in the group. Your profile will be the one that has the Edit Profile button. So select that. Be taken to an area where you can edit your profile. You've got several sections here you can pick from. There's no particular order. Let's take a look at uploading a profile picture. You're just going to pick that from your hard drive. And let's pick that one. And so the raw picture's here, and you've got to resize this thing. It'll be square. It's just automatic. Let's go ahead and just pick what we think looks good here. All right, I think that looks good. Now, a lot of us want to just click upload, but it's asking you to crop first. So there you go. You can see what it's going to look like. You could go back and change that if you want. So upload. All right, so there's the picture. And if you need a little guidance on what's acceptable, you can just hover over this little tooltip. And this is an opportunity to edit your name if you like. You can go in here and enter some bio information. Go in here. It's really important that you change to the correct time zone so that all your notifications come out and other members can see. So you save that. If you try to navigate away, it'll give you a warning. Professional background, should your group have that, then you can go through the same thing and uploading an image for your professional background, add a name and give some background information here and click Save. And then there's an area here where you can add additional contact information. So that's how you edit your profile.